Alright, it's another pretty cold, not very cold Sunday compared to last time at least. And today we're off to some temple, I think. That's around slightly further into Big One. So that's like another, that's 120 kilometers from here. It's down the Solapur highway. So there's not gonna be a lot of interesting things happening, but I am riding with Roaring Nomads again. This is probably the 105th, 106th ride, maybe, lost count. And let's see, I did a few mods to the motorcycle. I changed the rear sprocket to the RS200, so when it went up from a 39 teeth at the rear to 41. Now it's a 14 in the front and 41 in the back. Other than that, I've put a slightly larger jet on the carb, so there's little more fuel going in than before, and it's got a lot of grunt now compared to before. I don't have to twist the throttle as much. And right in front of me is a V-Strom 650. There's a Versus behind me. There's a Versus leading the pack. There is a Interceptor. Yeah, Interceptor. A Triumph Street Twin, which looks really nice. Hopefully get a nice close-up shot of it later. And a Imperiale 400. So a pretty nice lineup. It's more of a cruiser touring kind of lineup compared to what I normally prefer. And I mean, it's a highway run, so there's not really much to do when it comes to twisties. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but oh well, let's see where we go. Let's see where we go today. It's gonna be a little less adrenaline this time, but I'm definitely gonna test the acceleration once we get to the open parts of the highway. I don't have to worry about a bunch of trucks and other cars. Well, time for the montage? Nah, that sounds stupid. Oh wait, yeah, there's an 883 as well. Forgot to mention that. Another annoying thing about the sprocket changes is the change in my speed range. I can't really go as fast at a certain engine speed, but at least it pulls a little harder. Oh wait, there's a car there. I at least have more torque on tap. I'm able to pull myself, hold my own. Doesn't feel anemic. Oh, and as you may not have noticed, I've removed the windscreen because so right now I'm cruising at around 60, right? With the windscreen on, there was a lot of wind noise. So I mean, you normally don't hear anything until you cross what, 70, 80? Yeah, now I can start hearing stuff. See, it pulls pretty well now with the new sprocket set and the carbs. There is the first toll. There's going to be a total of 2 tolls on this highway. I know after the second toll the road really opens up. There's a nice lake on the side that you can sort of see. Oh fuck. Oh god, no. No, no, no. So we visited the temple and it was submerged because it's that time of year, and we're heading back now. I am not looking forward to a certain portion where it's pure, the road's beyond broken. It's, I mean, it's not like the road doesn't exist, it used to exist, it's just all broken and oh god, it's gonna hurt. I'm not looking forward to it. Need to suffer a bit, you know, to find the nice spots.